All right, guys, 2022 Ram TRX 4x4. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. This is bone stock. Not bad. You guys see that? TRX. There's sound decibels on it before. Even before it's at 105. You guys can only imagine 107. We'll let you guys hear it after when we're done with it. So we got this 2022 Ram TRX. It's got some 26s, I think. 26s. They got some fat 26s on it, as you guys can see. Just give it an even beefier look. I wanted to show you guys the exhaust before we cut it all off. There's the factory converter there and there. And as you guys can see up front, the TRXs, they come factory true dual. To let it breathe, it's got a factory X pipe. It's a huge one too. Not your normal one's huge. So to equalize back pressure and exhaust scavenge. Then it's got two factory style mufflers. Basically, they're the same mufflers that come on the Challengers and Chargers, but a little bit longer, okay? And then it's got true dual all the way back, each side. And then they got these resonators like the GM did, right there. And one up there somewhere. Same thing on this side, as you guys can see. There's the resonators. And then it comes into some 5-inch fat black tips. As you can see, Ram listened to us and watched our videos apparently and started changing them to 5-inch. There they are. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the two mufflers off right there and straight pipe it. Because, you know, that's what we do. We'll see how she sounds after. We'll let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. All right, guys, 2022 Ram TRX. We'll let you guys see what it looked like before. This is what we did on it. Factory converter there, factory converter there. True dualed out the back on this side. And this side all 3-inch. Then we did a mid muffler delete. So as you guys can see, it's true dual, so it comes with two mufflers. We cut them off, left the resonators on each side, there and there, as you guys can see, so you understand. They're like the Chevy design. We went to that for some reason. And then there's the two mufflers we cut off right there. They are straight through design, so you don't lose any power or anything. And there's the 5-inch tips that come factory on them, which I like. They look really clean, as you guys can see. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Only 20% of you guys actually subscribe, so please hit that subscribe button. There it is. All right, here's sound decibels. 117. Man, that's mean. 118. Let it idle. All right, give it gas again. Wow. That's clean. Go ahead and back it up. First TRX you guys see with 26s, baby, Nashville style. Again, look at the fat 26s. They look good on it. Got some fat tires. It's a clean truck all the way around. Beautiful truck. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Drake vibes. And apparently he says all these Rams have that tick. You guys hear it? Damn! Beast mode!